Hello, and as we are well into the spring season, I thought I would show you some really nice hairstyles that you can do with your wig. So I'm going to be using a wig brush. They're really soft, so it's really good to be using on wigs. I'm also going to be using a tail comb. That's a lot easier for getting knots out and shaping. I will be using some little bobby pins to help secure the wig and small elastic bands to tie it in ponytails and buns. The hairspray is really useful for keeping away those pesky flyaway hairs. The first style we are going to do is a braided half up, half down look. So what you're first going to do is grab a section of hair at the front, brush it out to get out any lumps or bumps, and you can start braiding from the front to the back. Tie it off at the end, and then what you'll do here is pull out the outer part of the braid to create a fuller look. Repeat on the other side and make sure that you do leave bits of hair out at the front. Once you have both sections plaited, you can then pop them together at the back, and then you can use the bobbles that you've used to tie them to pop them together. If you do want to cover up the bobble, you can use a section of hair from the non-braided end and wrap it around. You can then use a bobby pin to secure it. And there you go. The second hairstyle we are going to do is very much like Rapunzel hair. So using the hair that you left down, you can create a plait by splitting it into 3 equal sections and go all the way down to the bottom. Here I just fluff out the braid to make it look fuller and making sure to leave 2 sections at the front. Style number 3 is putting this into a lovely updo. So with the braid that you have just created, I'm using bobby pins to secure it to make it into a flower bun. To hide the section at the end which isn't braided, I just tuck it into the middle of the bun. And there you have 3 hairstyles to try this spring.